Okay, it's Friday evening, August 7th, 2020. This is day 3 of the ice cream shop comparison videos, and today we're going into this 810 Billiards and Bowling location in Market Common because there is a place in here called the Crazy Mason Milkshake Shop. So we're gonna go try it out. Milkshake Bar. So we're waiting for our 4 milkshakes to come up. It looks like the average price is $12 for the basic ones. Mason and I got the Fudgin' Best, which apparently is a premium milkshake. So our total was $69 and I think 12 cents for our 4 milkshakes. There's a bowling alley behind this place, so right behind the stand. I want to go in there and take a look. Maybe Sydney and Mason can do some bowling after we're done the milkshakes. So now we're just in line, waiting to pick them up. We're number 63. They're currently on 55. So while we're waiting for our milkshakes to come up, I just walked back here to give you a peek at the bowling alley. You can see these ones she's putting together called the All-American in the back. It has a slice of apple pie on top of the milkshake. Absolutely insane. And caramel sauce. Look at that. Oh my. So what did you get, Jennifer? What is this one on the right?
Moose and waffles.
Moose and waffles. And this one is called, Mason and I both got the same thing, the Fudgin' something, right?
Fudgin' Crazy.
Fudgin' Crazy, was it? Maybe that's what it was. What did you get, Sydney? Short and sweet. It's like a full strawberry shortcake. So I wouldn't pay $12 for an ordinary milkshake, or I think what did we pay? Probably $15. Go ahead and take them. They're starting to melt. But this don't look like ordinary milkshakes, so we're gonna give them a try. Here's your straw. So this is a chocolate milkshake, but there's a brownie on the back of it. Chocolate syrup, whipped cream, chocolate jimmies, chocolate sprinkles.
Nobody else out of Maryland calls those jimmies.
I guess they are sprinkles, not jimmies.
I'm from Maryland and I don't call them jimmies. What are jimmies?
Jimmies are sprinkles. I don't know why they're called jimmies. They're just sprinkles. I don't know. I can't answer that. And a piece of Hershey bar in there. Crazy good. How is yours? How is it? Is it good?
Yeah.
You like it? Were you able to finish yours?
I think I ate about a third of it.
Ate some of the waffle.
Yeah.
How was it?
Mine was very good. It's way too much for one person to eat. Or I can't eat it.
Yeah.
You seem to be doing a pretty good job.
Well, I dropped my brownie. Part of the Hershey bar fell on the floor. All of the elevation stuff, I ate a little bit and then it kind of fell apart. But the milkshake itself was good.
How are you complaining?
I'm not complaining. This is a meal replacement. This isn't like dinner and then you come get this. This is its own thing. You just get like a meal. Well, that's about it for ice cream shop stop number 3. We've been to, what was the first one? Myers, that's what it was. Myers Ice Cream in Surfside. That was really good. We liked them. And then we went to Calabash Creamery.
I did not love that.
We did not love that as much.
We had been there previously and we did like it.
Yeah, what she said might be hard to hear. We've been there before and it was good, but this time when we went last week or so, it just wasn't great. But this is really good. It's expensive, but it's it's something to do. It's an activity. That's good. That's about it. Please click like. Please click subscribe. Have a great night.
Aaron found the bottom of his. I don't know how he's not sick.
It's a sticky mess.
It is a disaster.
There's stuff everywhere. So they give you bags. Mason just went up and got some bags.
Who's we keeping? Are we keeping all of them?
Yeah, we're going to keep all of them. So you can take your mason jar home. Probably can't wash it because the sticker's going to come off. But I'm going to finish this. What? It's good.
Sydney's face says everything we need to know.
She wants to go home and vomit.
So does your pancreas.